Alright y'all, welcome back. It's Albert LaBelle, and the lock we're going to take a look at this time is right here. It's this one I actually had for quite some time. It's been sitting in my my drawer of fun. But yeah, I picked this lock a few times and then I failed to pick it a few times. It's got well, we'll get to that, but it can be pretty darn tricky. It's obviously a master lock. It says Pro Series here in the box. Picked it up off of eBay. Like I said, I can't remember how long ago. I'd say several months ago probably, but I paid $19.99 for it. And I don't know if it was like rekeyed, but it does have, I'll show you. Pretty cool lock though. Black Master Lock Pro Series 6230 as it shows right there in the body. I bought it from my Round Body Padlock collection, like I said, quite some time back. But you can see it's been used. The reason I think it was rekeyed, maybe, now it does look like it's all stock there, but this is the reason I think it was rekeyed. Or at least this might have been a spare key and they don't have the originals with it anymore. I don't know, but you can tell this was not the original key with the lock. But yeah, pretty decent bidding. I believe it's a what? Let me see by the cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 penner. And it is a little funky, and it's not key retaining. Check it out. So, like I said, a little funky. It's got some, like, just, I guess probably grizzle in there. But okay, we got an Allen screw down there, so we can probably pop that off if we get that far. But not key retaining. But like I said, it's a little funky in there, and by that, the shackle. See how the shackle doesn't pop up? You got to kind of help it up. But it does have a spring in there, I think. I would imagine. Maybe not. Maybe it doesn't have a lift spring in there. But yeah, so when you pick it, if you can pick it, you've got to help the shackle up. But anywho, let's see if I can. This thing is chocked full of spools. I don't know if it's all 5 of them, but it plays whack-a-mole with you, if you know what I'm talking about. You start setting the lock, you get a false set, and then it plays like you set one and you lose another. You set that one and you lose the other. It plays that game with you. So hopefully I'll be able to pop it and we can see what's inside, because I have not disassembled that yet. So let's just grab a tension tool here. That ought to do her just fine. Because yeah, we're going to have to go back and forth with it quite a bit. You'll see. Alright. Bada boom, bada bang. The magic words. Peterson Gem. Let's see if we can't pop this puppy. If we can get it started here. It doesn't fit great, but it fits. See who wants to play. There we go. Counter rotation. There we go. Now you'll start seeing, hopefully you'll start seeing the counter rotation I'm talking about. Right there. Gotta go way back. That wasn't too bad. But when you do that, a lot of times you drop one that you've already got set. So here we go again with the counter rotation. Way back. Oof. Alright. Yeah, I'll be honest, that pick's not fitting real good. I'm going to have to let that drop. There we go. Back into a false set. Counter rotation. Oof. Man. Alright. Keep playing the game. I am curious though if it's all 5 spools in there. Way back. Come on, baby. There we go. Back into that false set again. Counter rotation. You see that? Alright, nice deep false set. Counter rotation again. Woof. Oh my goodness, that's deep. There we go. It's playing whack-a-mole with me though. You see that? You set one, you lose another. Where you at, buddy? Who wants to play? Right there. There we go. Alright, don't lose it out. Pull that shackle. There we go. Bada boom, bada bing. Woo! Yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and disassemble it. Why not? Let me grab some Allen wrenches here. So I have no clue what's going to fit it. Let's see. I don't know what size that is. Let's grab this dude right Heather. Too small. Too big. Alright, let's put those aside. There we go. Got a winner. And if this is correct, it was a 7/64. All right. Get that out of the way. Get that out. Oof. See if we can't disassemble this. Oh, it's a crimped core. Oh, let me get my specs on here so I can see. Let me see if we're going to be able to do this. We may be able to get it. Thanks to an old friend, Bobby Keys. He made me this 3D printed follower that fits through there when the cores are crimped. It's slightly smaller than the normal ones, so we might be able to do it. Let's give it a shot. I'll try anything once. Twice if I like it. So we got to go this way. You see that crimp? Right there on the Bible? That's how you get those out of there when they're crimped. But, let's see. Let me get a shim. Always, always, always use a shim, folks. Alright. There we go. Shim's in. Crimp is lined up, or the core is lined up with the crimp. And we should be able to get this out of there. Let's find out. Pins are up there. Bada boom, bada bing. We did it. Oh! They could have put a 6-pin. Oh, maybe not. Maybe the key's too short. Yeah, you could maybe ride one off the end of that key, but yeah, I'd probably use a different key if I was to put all 6 in there. Alright, so let me grab a pin tray. Alright, I'll go ahead and speed this up and come back when I got them laid out. Fair enough? Okay, so we are back. We got them all taken out. Let me see something real quick. Okay, yeah, I thought they were serrated spools, but they're not. But they are. All 5 were obviously spools, and they are the good spools, the nice, deep spools. Let me try to zoom in a little bit on those. You see how deep the spools are? Very, very nice. Let me grab one of them puppies. You see how deep the spool is? How it's cut real deep? Not like those cheap ones. So yeah, I'll tell you what, that thing, like I said, I've picked it a couple of times now, so I've gotten a little bit better with it, but the first few times I tried picking it, I'm going to zoom back out, it was a real pain in the butt, because like I said, it plays whack-a-mole with you. You get one of the spools set, and then when you do the counter rotation to set another pin, you drop one or two of them, and you keep going back and forth. So pretty decent lock. I'm going to go ahead and just pin it back up exactly how it was, and put it with my round body padlock collection. Alright, so that's it. The Master Lock Pro Series 6230. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Remember, if you're not subscribed yet, you need to do so because I need your support in 2023. Please. Thank you.